Okay, everybody, so the snow came in during the night. When I woke up, there was only like 1 to 2 inches. So I went out and I checked the greenhouse. It was doing great, standing strong, about an inch or two of snow on top. So I came inside. I took a shower. When I came out, the snow was really coming down hard. So there's probably more on there now. I'm going to take a long-handled broom outside with me, and I am going to sweep it off. But I think all the reinforcement I did yesterday for the greenhouse really helped. Okay, everybody, you can see the greenhouse behind me. Not really that much snow, but I want to brush it off anyways, just to make sure. It said it can handle 2 inches. It might be 2 inches. I don't know. So anyways, I got a broom. I'm just gonna brush it off. If my cane were longer, I would just use that. But I'm short. So I'm just going to continue to do that on both sides until it's all cleaned off. I'm probably going to have to come out here, well, at least another time or 2 or 3. So it is like 10:30 in the morning. The snow's supposed to end at 7. So hopefully this takes care of it. I'll leave you with that. Blessed be and make it a joyful one.